Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 8:40 a.m. Eastern Time on the 12th of February 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? In last week's episode, we said that as we were in a downtrend on the daily chart, it's highly likely that we may continue moving to the downside and move into the demand zone below. We also said that as the demand zone is so close underneath current price, it's a possibility that the market may just move up from where we are now, and that's the option that market took last week. We actually moved to the upside, and if we take our attention to the monthly chart, we can see that we are in demand, and at the moment the demand's holding and we're making a move to the upside. Now let's focus our attention on the daily chart over here. We said that if the market was able to move up and go above this pivot, which wasn't formed until this day closed, then that breaks the downtrend and puts the odds more on this time frame for a continuation of the move to the upside. But you can see the following day we actually move down, and the reason for that is that we're in supply over here. The day after we moved up again, and on Friday we continued to move higher, but we could not break or close above the high of the supply zone over here. So the question is this: what is the odds for this week for the dollar? Where is the dollar likely to go next this week? Well, if we're able to continue moving to the upside and go above this supply zone over here, we're highly likely to move to the supply zone above. If we're able to move above this area and close above this area, we're highly likely to continue moving to the upside. What may happen if the market goes above this supply zone, we may bounce around between these two zones until the market moves one way or the other, because they're very close to one another. Once we close above here, the area below will become demand, highly likely, and the area above is still supply. Now, the other option is if the market fails to go above this supply zone over here, then we're highly likely to move to the downside. Now, we may also move sideways if there's no follow through to the downside. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. If you like this video, hit the like button below, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.